All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol GNUS, Genius Brands International Inc. Before I get started, I do want to state there are no emotions involved in these charts. I do not get paid for looking at specific stocks, but I do look at the charts, and we're here to look at the charts together and go ahead and see what the charts are telling us. So to start off, last week, this stock had a rally. It literally jumped a total of about, wow, it was more than $4. It was almost $6, $7, from $4 and some change to like $11 and some change. $7. Wow. I completely missed this one. I didn't even know much about it. I just knew that there was a lot of hype. I heard a lot of things about it. And I don't know if I'm doing a video a little too late or if this video is going to go ahead and give you some insight and understanding on what's to come in the next couple days, or just from today to tomorrow, because I'm going to base it off of the last couple hours of the closing today and what to look for tomorrow. But this stock just plummeted all the way down and then just jumped back up. I mean, the volatility rate here has just been pretty insane. But let's go ahead and zoom in and take a look. The first thing that's very key and important here is the 50-day moving average. It's way above where this stock is at and way above where this stock closed. It was below it, but that was on Friday of last week. Since this week on Monday, it's been above it. It only has been really, really close to it once, twice, and then it got past it at one point on Friday. Yeah, it was last week, Friday, Thursday. Those were the times, and Wednesday. But other than that, this stock has been below the 50-day moving average. So let's go ahead and zoom in and see what to look for. So the first thing is we're in a bearish territory right now. There's a bearish market on this one. The volumes are high on sell-off. As you can see, very few times did people buy, and those were the three bars right here that actually made this play, that went up and then started to slowly go down. The bears are dominating this stock right now. But some key things is it closed off at 395 after market, and at 4 p.m., which is market closing time, it closed off at 397. Not much of a change, but throughout the day, the volatility has been there, and throughout the days over time, there's been more sell-off on this stock than buys. Just from looking at this chart and all the reds that we see, the bears are just dominating this, and as you can see right here, just adding up. But key things for tomorrow is, yes, this stock closed off at 395. Now, the resistance point for tomorrow is $4.34. Now, if the bulls go ahead and get hefty and strong and together and rally up, they could bring this stock up and tear through this resistance point. If this resistance point was to be broken and this was made the new support level, the next resistance point would be at about, I'd say, it's not too far off of the 50-day moving average. It would be about $5, and the 50-day moving average is at $5.18. So it'd be 18 cents away from the next resistance point, and this would be the new support level right here. But the bulls have to break through that first. And I'm not saying because this broke through, it'll get up to $5 and then it's going to get past the 50-day moving average, which is $5.18. I'm not saying that they'll do that, but it will start to look more bullish, and the bulls will rally up and do their best to continue bringing this up. But before this can be said to look bullish, it has to pass the 50-day moving average, which is $5.18. So that's something to definitely keep a close eye on. If it breaks through this resistance point and it starts working its way up to $5, breaking the next resistance point and creating a support level here, Um, Now, the other important part is, yes, it closed at 395, but this stock has a support level right now of $3.64. We're already in bearish territory. Um, these are just numbers to go ahead and take a close look at, because if it breaks through this support level, it's creating this to be the next resistance level, and the new support level will be much lower way down here. So these are just numbers to keep a close eye on this stock to see what's going on and how much more bearish or how much more bullish it's going to be. So some numbers to keep in mind is $3.65 for the support level. $3.95 is where it closed, and the first resistance level that needs to be broken is $4.35. So I hope this video was very informative. I know there was a lot of hype with this one. Some people are saying it's going to come back up. Some people are saying it's going to go back down to where it once was before the hype, and that was down here at about $1.98 or $2. We'll definitely have to see how this one goes. I know the Bears are dominating this one, and the Bulls had dominated it before, and I don't doubt, or I don't see why I can't doubt seeing the Bulls trying to do a comeback. I mean, this one right now is just the Bears are definitely dominating, and the Bulls are trying. You can see where the Bulls have tried, and the Bears just keep tearing it apart. It'd be interesting to take a close look at this one tomorrow, see how it does. But keep in mind those numbers that I had stated for the resistance level and for the support level. All right. We'll see how this one plays out tomorrow. Thank